Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone not connecting Wi-Fi. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that your iPhone or iPad is not connected to the Wi-Fi network, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you just have to try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with your network setting. And once you have done, you just have to keep a long press on your Wi-Fi and then select the more setting options from here, and after that you will get your Wi-Fi settings. Now if you're trying to connect with the specific network, so you have to try to change your network from here. So you have to try to select any other network from here to connect with, or if you're having the same issue, so you have to make sure that you have entered a password, correct password of your Wi-Fi network. And after that, if you're still having the same issue, so you can make a software update. If you just open the general setting of the software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update here. If you find any pending software update, try to update your software. So it might be your pending software updates might have issues with your network settings. So after that, if you're still having the same issues, we just have to open your settings here. Go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings from here, enter your passcode and then select reset network setting from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network setting. It will not delete your data. So you can easily try this, and after that your network setting including your Wi-Fi, cellular, your Bluetooth and also your hotspot. It will reset all of this network setting. So after that your issue will be fixed and you'll be able to connect with any Wi-Fi network on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.